Bangaru Lokam, Leader, Panja, Badrinath, and Maro Charitra, and lots of other films. So it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much for coming. And I've got a lot from the Telugu film industry, so this is my way of telling thank you to everybody for so much love and so much appreciation for all my songs. Thank you so much. So my first Telugu song I recorded for M.M. Kirwani Garu in 2003 when I was a kid, and he actually heard one of my songs from my album, and he called me from Mumbai, and we recorded this song for this film. I think it was something Allari, my first song, and after that I sang for Mickey J. Mayer in Kotta Bangaru Lokam, and Nenani Nevani I think was a hugely popular song. And I got my first Filmfare award for that song. My first Tamil song is Vetai, and my next Tamil song will be in Billa 2. Very, very excited, and the credit for that goes to Yuvan Shankar Raja. I'd sung for him in Panja also. I'd sung Ella Ella and Shanam Shanam. So I'd sung all the female songs. Yeah. मैंने actually शुरू किया. I started singing for Hindi films, and Mohabbatein was my first film for Yash Chopra, and I was 12 years old that time. So I was the youngest playback singer in India, and I auditioned for the film when I was 12 years old, and I got the film. I sang 5 songs in the film, and the biggest honor for me as a singer was that even Lata Mangeshkar ji was singing in the same film, and it's very rare that you get an opportunity to sing for the lead heroine at the age of 12, and also have Lata ji singing in the same film. So for me it's a huge honor. It was like a dream come true, and also for a Yash Chopra film, so it's like the more the merrier. And having Mr. Bachchan and then Shah Rukh Khan in the same film, so it was like a dream break. And after that I sang for a lot of other films, for Shankar Ehsaan Loy. I sang in Rudraksh. The song was very popular. It was called Ishq Khudai Rab Ne Banai. Ishq Khudai Rab Ne Banai. That was very popular. Then I sang for Neel and Nikki, which was again very popular, for Salim Suleiman, and that was I think the popular song in that was Halla Re Halla Re Halla Re. That was very popular. Abhi recently there is Mere Brother Ki Dulhan and Ladies versus Ricky Bell. This popular song in Mere Brother Ki Dulhan is Madhubala. So it was Nache Re Nache Madhubala, Panghat Pe Nache, Nache Re Nache Madhubala, and of course Mundeya Nu Thag Le, Mundeya Nu Thag Le. That is also very popular. And Yamla Pagla Divana was one of my other releases in 2011. All these films had come out, and right now my next release is on 9th March, which is Char Din Ki Chandni, with which is the same team of Yamla Pagla Divana. That is going to be my next film release. Any other language except for Hindi and English. And I would give out a little secret how I sing it. It's because my mom used to teach me a lot of Sanskrit as a kid. So that really helped my pronunciation. And even if you tell me to say something, I will end up saying it very quickly because only because of Sanskrit. And so the credit goes to my mother for it, because I sang a Sanskrit bhajan devotional album with Pandit Jasraj ji when I was 12 years old, and it was a very difficult Sanskrit bhajan album. It is called Mahalakshmi. It's still available in the market, and I think people pick it up during Diwali. and it's with Times Music. And if you listen to the album closely, it was very difficult to sing it. It's got all the proper, only proper pundits can speak it actually. So when they heard me speak, they said, I think we would want you to sing it. And that was a huge blessing for me, because I never expected that I'll be able to sing in Sanskrit. So, and that too with, of course, Pandit Jasraj ji, who's also my grandfather. So I come from the same family of singers, and I'm the fourth generation of singers in my family. So a lot of musicians in my family are there. Actually, मुझे काफ़ी लोगों ने कहा, a lot of people tell me that I should get into acting, and I think I have a lot of friends who are into films, and they are directors, they are actors, producers. So if they have something interesting which they feel that I should do that role, then I can give it a thought, definitely. In fact, I've done my first bilingual film in Hindi and English, and I shot it with the team of LSD, and LSD was the Bakar Banerjee's film. So one of the leads in the film was Anshuman Jha, and I've done my first film with him already. So that also just happened. I didn't plan it at all, and they just saw my pictures and they wanted me to do this film, and I thought it was very interesting to act in a film. It's a very tedious job, and very unlike music, but very interesting because it's a creative process. So you learn a lot when a film is made, and when you see it on the screen, it's a very fulfilling experience. So I think acting is a very interesting option because it's a extension of music. मुझे लगता है जितना कम सुनेंगे सिंगर को उतना लंबा चलेगा because I feel today the media is so strong and powerful, and there are so many reality TV shows that you get overexposed. Earlier क्या था, to just see a jhalak of Lata ji, you have to wait for 1 month or 2 months or 6 months. So and even never it was, you could only listen to songs on the radio or on the school. It was not available everywhere. Today every 20 seconds a song is playing on the channel, so there is no hunger to see it. So the more the hunger, I think it's demand and supply. So when you're more eager to see somebody, then you will wait for that person. So I feel what I feel for myself, I've not planned it that way, but I don't do many TV shows, and I don't do I'd love to do something interesting, but something interesting has not come my way. So I'm very, very particular in what I do. That is why you will not see me splashed everywhere. So people might not recognize me that way as a singer, but I believe in doing my job properly first, rather than just being seen everywhere. That is more important. From Panja, I'll sing. Vastunnanistam andistale navajeevitam. Vastunnanistam andistale navajeevitam. Kshanam kshanam pratikshanam kure dhanam patsandam. Nizam nizam nirantaram nuve kada aropranam. थोड़ा बहुत राइट है. Thank you.